Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the brands that I wanted to try in 2024 and if I already tried them, if I'm not interested in them anymore. So let's talk about that. I have my listing here that I filmed last time and let's start with the ones that I already tried and I just want to buy more of. First of all, we have ABH, and from ABH I did purchase in this time period. I purchased the lipstick that is pretty disappointing. I really don't like it. This is the Lip Velvet from ABH, not a favorite. It is too dry for me. And I bought as well the Brow Freeze as well. I don't have that, I already finished it. Actually, I bought a mini. It is a good product, I enjoyed it, but I prefer my Too Faced Brow Gel just because it is a great applicator. The applicator from the ABH product is just crap, so I don't like it. It is what it is. I have in here Benefit as well. I don't think I bought anything from Benefit. From Fenty, I bought for sure the concealer in this period, and this one is not my favorite for sure. I'm not recommending it. We are starting on a bad note here, but I really don't like it because it doesn't look the best under the eyes. It's not smoothing or something. It doesn't have a lot of coverage. It's just meh, and I don't want meh products. I want really good ones, so not my favorite. From Huda, I repurchased the pressed powder. Then I have Natasha Denona on the list. I don't think I purchased anything this year from Natasha Denona, which is a bit unusual, but she's releasing stuff that is not intriguing right now, so I didn't purchase anything. R.E.M Beauty as well, didn't purchase anything. I was curious about the blush, but I don't know, it's just too sparkly. It was not impressing me. Then Too Faced, I purchased for sure the brow gel, repurchased that one at some point, but I don't think I bought anything else. Then from NYX, I bought the Dark Plump. This, in my opinion, is the best lip plumper. I really like it. It's just nice. The packaging is great and sturdy. I really recommend it, and it is from the drugstore. Then I have the Click Stick as well from NYX. This is great, and I really want to purchase the bronzer, but it's not available here yet, but I want to purchase it so badly. From Essence, I bought the Lash Without Limits, the brown mascara. That it is a great shade of brown, and I really like the mascara as well. I am actually wearing it today. It is a more natural look, but it's great. And recently Kelly Gucci talked about this one, and I don't have a lot of experience with brown mascaras, but I really enjoyed this one, and I was like, did I try a great brown mascara from the beginning? My first one, is that great? I was a bit unsure about that, and then she talked about this one and she said that it is a great shade of brown and that it is a great mascara overall. So now I have my confirmation that this is a good shade of brown from somebody that tested multiple brown mascaras. And very recently I purchased from Essence the skin tint. I tested it only once. I want to film Get Ready With Me testing some new makeup as well. This one looked really good for the first time, so I will need of course to test it more, but this has potential and it is very, very affordable. And then I have Catrice on the list, and I think this is the only thing that I purchased. Probably this is the Skin Glaze Hydrating Serum Primer, and I'm almost done with it. It is pretty nice. It's not my absolute favorite one. I prefer the Essence Serum Primer, but it is a good one nonetheless. Next on the list, I have Charlotte Tilbury, and I purchased something in October of last year. I purchased the highlighter and the blush, the poofy stuff from Sephora in Milan, but Charlotte Tilbury still not available here. I'm not interested in something right now, so I don't think I will purchase something from Charlotte Tilbury anytime soon, but I do enjoy the brand overall. Then I have Makeup by Mario. This is a new brand at Sephora in our country, which is great, and I actually purchased something and I bought this one, which a bit unusual. Yes, I know it is very, very different for me, but right now I really enjoy neutrals. I am wearing it today. Actually, I have I think only, yes, I have 3 shades. I have this one, and this one for my look today, and then I have a shimmer from one of the Natasha Denona palettes. This is great quality. I know that it is a neutral palette, so neutrals are pretty easy to formulate in the grand scheme of eyeshadows, but this is great. Very creamy, blendable. It's not that expensive compared to other palettes, so I really like it. Then I have Makeup Forever on my list, and I purchased something. Actually, I purchased the blush. This is the Artist Blush in the Rebel Bloom shade, and I do enjoy it. It is a good shade. It is a great formula. It's not my absolute favorite blush, but I like that it is refillable. This compact is pretty nice. This compact looks very professional as well, which fits the brand, and I enjoy it. So I am glad that I tested it. It's not my absolute favorite blush, but it is a good one overall. Then I have R.E.M Beauty, and let's talk about some negative stuff again. I purchased the lipstick. This is the thing that I wanted to test. This is the shade Bubbly, the matte lipstick, like I said, from R.E.M Beauty. I love this compact. It's very unique and cute and everything, but the product is just boring. It's just a normal matte lipstick. Nothing special about it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I'm not gonna purchase something else from this brand. It's just not for me. Then I have Tarte on the list. I didn't purchase anything. Tarte is not a brand that looks intriguing to me. We have it at our Sephora, but it's just, I don't want anything. So it is what it is. Then I have E.L.F, and from E.L.F I purchased the lip pencil and the lip oil. Both are incredible. Great, amazing products. I'm very happy with them. This is the Cream Glide Lip Liner, and the name is actually on the cap if you are curious. It is the shade Truth or Bare. Great shade, great formula, creamy but not too creamy. It is a sharpenable pencil. It is a great one, and it is like $3 or something like that. And then the lip oil as well. It is a formula that I enjoy, a thicker lip oil, and I like the packaging. It is pretty simple. Then I have Half Magic Beauty on the list, and this brand is available at Beauty Bay, but because I'm not that intrigued in eyeshadows right now, I prefer something more neutral. I really wanted to try something like the shimmery eyeshadows or the liquid ones or something like that, but right now I'm not interested in that, so I don't think I will purchase something from Half Magic Beauty, at least not anytime soon. Then I have Martine Cosmetics, and I did purchase something, and this is the palette that I wanted. It is not the best name. It is the eyeshadow palette that it is with pink and reds. I'm not gonna pronounce the name, I just don't like it. It's a good quality palette and I do enjoy it, and it is a great spring palette in my opinion, so I do like it, but I don't think it is the best formula out there. It's not something unique. Then I have Cosmic Brushes on the list, and similar to Half Magic Beauty, it is very colorful, and it is an indie brand, which I do enjoy indie brands and I like testing them out and supporting them, but at the same time, again, they have very colorful shadows, and right now I have more than enough eyeshadows in my collection. Most days I'm not even wearing eyeshadow. Right now I am all about the face and the cheeks mostly, so it would be a waste for me to purchase a very bright colorful palette. I would use it once or twice and then it would get lost in my collection, so I don't think I'm gonna test this brand. Then I have Sigma Beauty, and I wanted to test an eyeshadow from them, and I did. I purchased the Jules palette and I regret it because it was... I just don't like Sigma eyeshadows. It is what it is. Maybe they will improve the formula, maybe they already did from that Jules palette, but it is not for me. I purchased an eyeshadow base. This is my favorite one, the Sigma one. I really love the lip oil, I love the brushes, but the eyeshadows, they are just not for me. It is what it is. I will accept it and I will move on. Then I put BH Cosmetics on the list, and I did not test anything because I don't think they did release. The brand is just kind of gone. It is like a ghost brand right now. Nobody is talking about them, nobody is promoting them, they are not releasing something new. It is what it is. Then I have Refer on the list, and I did purchase some brushes from Refer, and they are just great brushes overall, but I don't think I'm gonna purchase anything else from them. it's more than enough. I have way too many brushes in my collection already. I want to show you just these two brushes. These are the number 37 and the number 04. Great brushes. This I used today for a blush. Great blush brush. It is a great shape, a bit flat on the top, and it's just perfect for the cheeks. And this one is amazing. This is the number 4. It is a great bronzer brush. It's just the perfect shape. It is angled. The only thing with this brush is that it's losing a lot of hairs, which is very unfortunate, and I'm not happy about that because it is very expensive, but the shape is great. I really like it. It's just great. But yeah, I need to let you know that it is losing a lot of hairs, but the other brushes are not. Maybe one hair here and there, but that one is losing a lot of hairs, so maybe it's just that brush in particular, but it is what it is. The eye brushes are not losing hairs. Then I have other brands that I put to maybe try from Sephora UK, even though I'm not planning to go in London or somewhere in the UK in the near future. I was just hoping that maybe a friend would go, or I have no idea. I was just putting Haus Labs, Give Beauty and One Size on this list, and from these three, Haus Labs is at our Sephora right now, and I did test one product just because I was looking for this product, and for the highlighter in the more blushy shade I wanted to purchase that, but then I wanted the R.E.M Beauty blushes in the Sephora VIB sale, and then I was just, I don't need a new blush. The Haus Labs is very expensive, and as well it was not included in the Sephora VIB sale, so I was thinking that at some point I will be able maybe to swatch it, or I'm not in a rush right now to have a new blush, but I really wanted the Monster Crayon. This is the shade Blush Matte. It is beautiful. It is a great formula. The R.E.M Beauty one wanted to be something like this, but it failed. So of course this is a crayon, this is a lipstick, but you can use this one as contouring your lips or as a lipstick, and it works for both of those, and it's great because it is a comfort matte. It is not thick, it is a thin matte product. It is creamy at the beginning, not drying your lips. I love it way more. It is nice. So these are all the brands that I put on the list. I tested most of the brands that I wanted to test, and right now I don't have anything in mind for the brands that I didn't test. I will have maybe at the end of the year a list with brands to test in 2025, but for now I don't think I have new brands to test in mind, so because of that I'm not refreshing this list. And yeah, I hope this video was fun, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.